These ashes aren't regular ashes. These are like cremation ashes. So I don't think they're like an earthquake. They're not going to be finding bodies. They're lucky to find any type of ashes to know that person, who he was and where he was, and they're not there anymore, you know.
The fire was so intense, everything turned to powder, and the cars melted like wax.
Mind telling us what you lost in the fire?
Everything's gone. Personal belongings are the most important, like family albums and passports and important papers, cash, all your good clothing, everything. It was a one-bedroom, small type plantation homes, they call them, built back in the day, but I fixed it up. It was really nice. I do miss it a lot, like a lot of people lost their homes. I've been living on Maui for 45 years. I've been through hurricanes and tsunamis, COVID, which was a big surprise. Yeah, I cried. I couldn't believe the damage that happened, but yeah, it's sad. It's very sad.